right, today we're going to dive into one of the most talked about technologies of our time, artificial intelligence. It is absolutely revolutionizing how we live, how we work, and even how we think.
But let's be real. When you hear the term AI, what's the first thing that pops into your head? Is it just the chatbot on your phone? The voice assistant that plays your favorite song? Or is it something way, way bigger? Let's find out. Okay, first things first. Before we can even start talking about the future, we have to be on the same page about what AI actually is right now. So let's build a really clear, simple foundation. At its very core, artificial intelligence is all about making computer systems that can, well, mimic human intelligence. We're talking about the ability to learn, to solve problems, and to make decisions to achieve a specific goal. Whether that's spotting a pattern, figuring out the next move, or learning from its mistakes to get better over time.
So, let's bring this out of the clouds and talk about the first level of AI. This is the stuff that you and I are interacting with constantly, every single day, and a lot of the time we don't even realize it.
This is called narrow AI, and the key word on this slide is right there, specializes. Narrow AI is a total expert, but only at one single job. Think of it like a world-class calculator. It's an absolute genius at math, but you can't ask it for creative writing advice, right? It just has no clue about anything outside its one specific task.
And these specialists, they are already everywhere. They're basically our creative partners in writing now. They're the chatbots we talk to for customer service. They're helping us smash through writer's block by drafting whole blog posts. And they're even finishing our sentences in a text. It's subtle, but wow, it is changing how we communicate.
And it's the exact same story in the world of design. These tools are basically democratizing creativity. Anyone, and I mean anyone, can generate incredible graphics, logos, even a full presentation just from a simple sentence. What used to take a professional designer hours can now be prototyped in seconds. It's wild.
They're also completely transforming how we work with images. With just a few words, you can create breathtaking, brand new art out of thin air. And on a more, practical level, an AI can just flawlessly delete the background from a photo. A super tedious task that used to need special software and skills is now literally one click.
And of course, video is being totally revolutionized. Narrow AI can automatically edit your clips, clean up annoying watermarks, and maybe the most important one, translate content almost instantly. This is breaking down language barriers and letting creators reach a global audience in a way that was just impossible before.
So the takeaway here is that narrow AI is already deeply woven into our lives. It's making those natural-sounding voices for audiobooks, helping scientists crunch massive amounts of data, turning articles into videos, and even just cleaning up the background noise on your calls. It's everywhere.
But all of that? That's just the beginning. Now we're going to move beyond the specialist and look to the next frontier, this quest for a much more versatile and, honestly, more powerful kind of intelligence.
And this slide just nails the difference. If that narrow AI is the specialist, the calculator, then general AI is the versatile all-rounder. It's much, much more like the human brain. The goal here isn't just to be amazing at one thing, but to be able to understand and learn any intellectual task a human can. And this has a name, Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI for short. Its defining feature is adaptability. It can take what it learned in one area and apply it to a totally different one, just like we do. It mirrors that incredible versatility that we have as humans.
So what might that actually look like? Okay, picture this medical scenario. An AGI could analyze incredibly complex patient data from thousands of different sources all at once. It could then, on its own, diagnose a rare disease that might stump even the best human experts. And then, and this part is critical, it could turn around and clearly explain its complex reasoning to the doctors.
So, this leads us to the final and probably the most speculative part of our journey. What happens when artificial intelligence doesn't just match human intelligence, but goes way, way beyond it?
This is the theoretical concept of superintelligent AI. Now, we're talking about an intelligence that could surpass human abilities not just in one thing like chess or math, but in basically every field you can imagine, from scientific creativity to social skills, the whole shebang.
Yeah, this phrase right here says it all. Surpassing human intelligence. And we got to be clear what that means. This isn't just about being a little faster at doing calculations. This would be a leap to a level of problem-solving, creativity, and innovation that is just fundamentally beyond our own.
The potential it's mind-boggling. An AI like this could propose solutions to humanity's biggest challenges, disease, climate change, with strategies that we've never even thought of. But, and this is without a doubt the single most important point, this immense power has to be carefully, deliberately aligned with human values to make sure it stays safe and beneficial for all of us.
So, we've gone on quite the journey here, from the narrow AI that helps you write an email, all the way to a theoretical superintelligence that could totally reshape our world. It's obvious that AI is shaping our future. So the question we're left with isn't if it will, but how do we shape it responsibly?